Hey everybody, welcome to another video where we show you how to make some changes and edits with your website. Once you're logged into your website, you will normally you're going to see your dashboard. So I'm going to navigate back over there, and so it'll look something like this. And you can either go to visit the site or go directly to one of your pages. I'm going to use the visual builder. So for that, I'm going to click on Visit Site, and then we'll have our site here, right? And so this is just one of our demo sites. And so if I wanted to edit this, all I need to do is go up to the top here and click on where it says enable Visual Builder. So if I click on that, what's going to happen is it's going to unlock or reset the page and make the Visual Builder work for me. So that way all I have to do is kind of click on different elements that I want to adjust and edit. And so wherever that there's already some text, I'll just be able to click on those and be able to edit the text in place without necessarily having to open up anything else. So like this is the, in this hero section here, I've got my heading that says Orlando Business Professionals. And if I wanted to add a period, or if I wanted to, edit any of this, I can just kind of click in there and just use my keyboard to adjust, what's the text that's in here. Other areas like these may have some additional items for me to edit. And so wherever you see like a cogwheel like this, if you click on that, that'll bring you into where the element is. And so this is a button, as we see here from button settings, and see where it says get started today. I can just kind of click in there and adjust this however that I want to. And then once I set it to what I'd like, or if I want to update the link that's in there, right now it's linked to something for sign up for further down the page. But if I wanted to edit anything in here, or I change some of the design of it, if I want to change the color, the alignment, things about the button, I have that opportunity. But once I make those changes, I will just click on the check mark, and then whatever changes that I made will be visual to, or be visible to me here. And so as I scroll down the page, you'll see other elements kind of like open up. And so if it's a whole column, we'll see it in blue. If it's a module or content module, we'll see it in green. And each of these kind of have some of the same things. The main thing that you're going to be clicking on is the section or the settings, the cogwheel for the settings for the actual piece. And so like this right here is for the row. This right here is for the module itself, for that content module. And so we have one here for maybe the heading, and another one here that we can edit as well. And in some of these, like I said, for text in particular, we can just kind of click right in and adjust what we see in there. Now, once we're done, we can either come down to the bottom of our window and click on the little purple button, and it'll open up where we can do a couple things. We can either trash the page, we can go to the settings of the page, maybe go back to a previous version of, or look at the editing history and restore our previous version. We also have some opportunities here. We're looking at it in desktop mode. Maybe we want to switch it over to mobile mode to see what it looks like on mobile. We can scroll through that and see that, or come back to desktop mode. And then once we will have made all of our changes, we're going to go over here to the right part of the screen, and then we're going to hit the save button. Once we hit save, that actually saves the page and makes it live on the front end. So if there's any, if we wanted this to be accessible, the changes to be visible on the other side for people to see and interact with immediately, that's where we would hit the save button. If not, we can just close out of the window, or close this tab altogether, and then we'll get asked if we want to save our changes, and we're going to say no, and we can discard our changes at that point. Any questions, please be sure to reach out. Thanks for watching the video.